I'm gonna show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Vercel project. So to get started, you have to open your Vercel project and then go to your settings, or if you want to go to project, if you have to publish, you can click on publish, then add domain. So from here, you just have to go to settings and then click on domains, and then once you scroll down, you'll see that you can see the custom domain. So you have to choose the custom domain right here. So in here, you need to input your GoDaddy domain. So you have to go to your GoDaddy domain and input your domain here. And once you're done with that, it should look like this. And then copy all the settings, and you have to go to your GoDaddy domain and then go to manage your DNS. And then from here, you just have to click on add new records. So you need to add 3 more records right here. So you have to input all necessary details, which is this 3 right here. So you have to copy all this one right here and then just input it and click on save. So you just have to do 3 records, same as records right here. So you can show the 3 names and 3 types and then 3 values. After that, you just need to wait 24 to 48 hours just to globally refresh this one. So that's pretty much it. That's how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Framer.